Hello everyone, and welcome to Safe Decode. We live in a world surrounded by risks. Whether you are working on a construction site, sitting in an office, or even cooking in your own kitchen, danger is always present. But the problem is, most people think safety is just about following boring rules or wearing a helmet. They don't understand the science behind it. That is where my channel comes in. The name is Safe Decode, and the definition is hidden right in the name. My mission is to decode complex engineering concepts and safety standards into simple, practical knowledge that anyone can understand. Whether you are a safety professional, an engineering student, or just someone who wants to protect their family, this channel is built for you. So, what exactly do we cover here? Safe Decode is built on three massive pillars, often called HSE. First, we talk about health. This isn't just about medicine, it's about occupational health. We discuss how to protect your body from long-term hazards like dust, noise, and chemicals that can damage your lungs or hearing over time. Second, and this is our biggest focus, is safety. Being a fire technology and safety engineering student myself, I dive deep into this. We cover fire safety, like how to use extinguishers using the PASS method, or understanding the chemistry of fire. We also look at industrial safety, explaining hazards in factories, and construction safety, ensuring workers on high-rise buildings go home alive. Third is the environment. We learn how industries can operate without destroying our air, water, and soil, ensuring a sustainable future for the next generation. But why Safe Decode? Why not just safety tips? Because here we don't just tell you what to do, we explain why you need to do it. On this channel, I bridge the gap between heavy engineering textbooks and real-life application. We use 3D animations to show you what happens inside a fire extinguisher. We use real-life case studies to analyze accidents so they never happen again. And we break down technical jargon into simple English and Hindi that even a beginner can understand. I am currently studying these advanced topics in my B.Tech degree, and I am bringing that university-level knowledge directly to your screen for free. This is a long video script.